Friends, today I am going to start exercise 6.3. The exercise is belongs to limit. How to find out the limit? You know the formula already I have given before. The question given, evaluate the following limit. Question number 1, first part given like this. Question number 1, first part given, limit x tend to 0. Limit x tend to 0 e to the power minus x minus 1 by x. See the question here given, e to the power minus x minus 1 by x. Okay, and limit x tend to 0. See, I have already told before, whenever e to the power anything present, that thing should be present in denominator. Here e to the power minus x given, that means you have to write here minus x, but here minus x not present. Then how to proceed? Limit x tend to 0, e to the power minus x minus 1, you have to write here minus x as you need, then that minus will be adjusted here minus 1. Yes or no? Means I have multiplied here minus 1 in the denominator, I have to write here minus 1 to make it adjust. Okay, because e to the power how much present, that much should be present in the denominator, then answer will be 1. This minus 1 take it outside, minus 1 take it outside, then limit x tend to 0, e to the power minus x minus 1 by minus x. Whenever x tends to 0, the minus x also tends to 0. If x is equal to 0, then minus x also equal to 0. Then what is the value of this limit? The value of the limit will be minus 1 into 1. Since I am writing the formula here, what is the formula required? Limit theta tends to 0, e to the power theta minus 1 by theta. How much present e to the power, that much should be present in the answer will be 1. Okay, I hope you are able to catch the process of solving. So what is the final answer? The answer is minus 1. This is the number 1 first part I have completed. Go to the second part of number 1. See the question given like this, limit x tend to 0, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by x given. Just some copy the question. See here given limit x tend to 0, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by x. You have to adjust here. How? E to the power x minus, this will be 1 by e to the power x, no doubt. Negative power given, you have to make it positive power, 1 by this. Now limit x tend to 0, this will be how much? E to the power 2x minus 1 by x. Already there, this also come down, that means x into e to the power x. Do one thing here, just to make it two limit like this. Limit x tend to 0, e to the power 2x minus 1 by x present here, you write here 2x, because e to the 2x means you have to write here 2x. That 2 you have to adjust here. Again limit x tend to 0, 1 by e to the power x. Okay, 1 by e to the power x. Why I am writing? Because this is one formula here. E to the 2x there, but here denominator only x present. I have written here 2x, then 2 here adjusted here. Now this is the value of 1. As limit x tend to 0, the 2x also tends to 0. Therefore this answer will be 1. And if I put here x equal to 0, e to the power 0 is how much? 1. Since e to the power 0 is equal to 1. So what is the final answer? The final answer is coming 2 into 1 into 1 means what is the answer? 2. Okay. I hope you are able to catch the process of solving question number 1 second part. Answer is coming 2. Next I am going to number 2. Just see. See the question number 2 first part. It is given limit x tend to 0, 7 to the power x minus 1 by tan x. See the question. First you have to follow the question what is given here. 7 to the power x minus 1 by tan x given and limit x tend to 0. See, right here limit x tend to 0, 7 to the power x minus 1 by x you write here. Unit. Again write here limit x tend to 0, this will be x by tan x. X by tan x. Why I am writing like this? Because here I have divided here x and multiplied here x. Because this will be one formula will come here. So what is that formula? A to the power x minus 1 by x, limit x tend to 0. That will be log, what is that? Log 7. The formula is log a, means here a means what? 7, log 7. And what is the formula? Limit x tend to 0, x by tan x is equal to 1. Since I am writing the formula here, since limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta. What is that? Tan theta by theta will be how much? Tan theta by theta, the answer is 1. Okay. Limit theta tends to 0, theta means angle, theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta, trigonometrical formula, limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta is equal to how much? 1. Therefore this answer will be reverse given, that also same thing. Theta by tan theta or tan theta by theta, that will be meaning same. Answer will come same, answer will come 1. Okay, so what is the final answer here? Log 7 into 1 means log 7. The answer of number 2 first part is answer coming log 7. Okay, I hope you are able to catch the process. Okay, let us go second part. Just see second part I am writing here. Second part, question given like this. Limit x tend to 0, limit x tend to 0, 3 to the power x minus 1, 3 to the power x minus 1 divided by 2 plus x root over minus root 2. See, this is the question like this given. 3 to the power x minus 1 by 2 plus x root over minus root 2. See, if the question is like this given, you have to rationalize the denominator. Okay, first of all you have to rationalize. Limit x tend to 0. Do one thing here, 3 to the power x minus 1. You need here divided by x, then the answer will come 1, then answer will come log 3. I have divided here. We can write here limit x tend to 0. What is left? 1 by this left and x by this. Because x here divided, x you have to write here. X you have to rationalize. 2 plus x root over plus root 2. Okay, and denominator what you write here? If I multiply this part in the denominator, this answer will come 2 plus x minus 2. Because a minus b, if I multiply a plus b, the answer will come a square minus b square. The 2 plus x root over b whole square means 2 plus x minus root 2 whole square means 2. So what is the final answer you are getting here? This is what I have divided x here, I have multiplied here x, adjusted. This answer is log 3. This answer is log 3. Now just check how much you are getting. How much you are getting? The 2 will be cancelled out. X left, this x also cancel with this. What is left? 2 plus x root over plus 2 root over. After that you put the value of x is 0 because limit x tend to 0. If I put here x equal to 0, so what is the result you are getting? What result you will get here? 2 plus 0 means 2 root over 2. Root over 2 plus root over 2. What is that? 2 root over 2. That means 2 root over 2. 2 root over 2 log 3. This is the answer of second part of number 2. Let us go number 3. Okay, just see. See the question number 3 first part. Limit x tend to 0. E to the power x minus e to the power minus 6 by sin x. Okay, this is the question. How to solve? First of all, you have to adjust here limit x tend to 0. This will be e to the power x, no doubt, and this will be 1 by e to the power x, negative power given. Do here one thing, divided by x here, right here, and into limit. The sin x result means this will be x by sin x. Why I am doing like this? Because limit x tend to 0, sin x by sin x or x sin x by x, the answer will come 1. Okay, therefore I have separated here. Now limit x tend to 0, e to the power 2x minus 1 by, this will come down, x into e to the power x This will be how much? Limit x tend to 0, x by sin x means 1. Okay. Now we do one thing here. I have to write here e to the 2x minus 1 means I have to write 2x here. 2 you have to write here. 2 limit x tend to 0 e to the power 2x minus 1, write here 2x. Okay. I have multiplied 2 here and here also 2 adjusted. What is left next? Limit x tend to 0, 1 by e to the power x. Okay. Now, as for the formula here, limit x tend to 0, e to the power 2x or x same thing, because if x tend to 0, 2x also tends to 0. E to the 2x minus 1 by x, 2x equal to how much? 1. That means 2 into 1. Again, if I put here 0, that will become e to the power 0 is, e to 0 is how much? 1. So what is the result? The result is 2 into 1 into 1 by 1 means 2 answer. This is the number 3 first part answer, that is 2. Let us go second part. Okay, just to see the second part I am doing for you. What is the second part question? Just see. Limit x tend to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by b to the power x minus 1. See the question type. Limit x tend to 0, a to the power x minus 1, a to the power x minus 1 by b to the power x minus 1. See, very carefully see here. Limit x tend to 0, do one thing here, a to the power x minus 1 by x you write here, and divide sign you give here. Limit x tend to 0, this will be how much? B to the power x minus 1 by x. Means I am dividing x both numerator as well as denominator. Why I am dividing like this? Because one formula is there. As per the formula, this will be how much? Log a divided by, this will be how much? Log b. The final answer is log a by log b. Final answer is log a by log b. Okay, log a by log. This is the answer of number 3 second part. I hope you are able to understand the process solving. Here the directly formula based question. Just you have to divide here x. Numerator, in the numerator I divided x. In the denominator also I have divided x. Means I have to write like this. A to the power x minus 1 by x. Again limit x tend to 0. I am writing separately limit of numerator and limit of denominator. Limit x tend to 0, b to the power x minus 1 by x. As for the formula, this will be log b, log a by log b. Okay, let us go number 4. See the question number 4, first part. Limit x tend to 0, 3 to the power 2x minus 2 to the power 3x by x given. Do one thing here. Limit x tend to 0. 3 to the power 2 means what? 9. I can write here 9 to the power x. Minus 2q means what? 8. I can write here 8 to the power x by x. So only simplified. 3 square means 9. 2q means 8. Now after that, limit x tend to 0. Write here 9 to the power x minus 1 as you need. Again minus you write 8 to the power x minus 1. Now minus 1, this plus 1 will be adjusted. Whole divided by x. What I have done here? Nothing. Just minus 1 and plus 1. Making two groups. After that you have to separate. Limit x tend to 0. 9 to the power x minus 1 by x minus. Limit x tend to 0. 8 to the power x by x. What is the formula for this? This is the formula is log 9. Log 9 minus the formula is what? Log 8. As for the formula only, log 8. You can write here the formula. What is that formula? Limit x tend to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x. What is that? That is log a. Log a. Okay? Log a. Just see. A to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a. So a means here 9 and here a means here 8. Log 9 minus log 8. You know the formula. What is that? Log 9 by 8. Log 9 by. This is the answer of number 4. Okay. I hope you are able to understand the process of solving the limit today. Remaining part try to complete in the home. Thank you for today class. Okay. The same chapter will continue next day. Thanks for today class. Thanks.